What a war to bust a cabinet singing what a war.
Now today is the first day of independence for the latest new nation of the Commonwealth, Jamaica.
What a war to bust a cabinet singing what a war.
It really was the Bustamante government's first clash with the Rastafari.
And Mr. Bustamante said, carrying all Rastaman, dead or alive.
Bringing all Rasta, dead or alive. What book can't hold, Bogil will hold them.
When him say the jail can't hold them, throw them from Bogil. Yeah. Bogil is a cemetery in Mobile. That means to kill them.
Bustamante come blind now. The second one come dead now. And Mr. Shearer can't shear out himself.
My name is Selborne A. Reed. I'm an ex-Jamaican policeman, retired detective inspector. In our shooting range, the targets were oftentimes the image of a Rastaman with locks, and in our mind, that was the look of a criminal.
We have a responsibility, and we have to make sure that this government is answerable to what happened to Rasta in 1963. And we say this without any apology.
Did you know